up, YouTube? Autobound Dan here. It's time to go to the Matco truck, see what we've got inside. There she is. Pretty cool. What's that? Those are huge. Nice. Part number. Let's check these things out. Holy moly. These things are freaking gnarly.
It was on, but it wasn't getting full.
That thing is just insane. Get the handle on that. Man, there's a part number here. Now that's a scraper.
The wobble. But yeah, there's
Part number on the other one. That's nuts. Some Knipex. Alligator set. It's a cool box. Not bad. Oh, those are new spinners.
No, because I got a $50 credit.
Forgot who makes these.
And it matches my other ones.
Witty screwdrivers. Pretty cool. Some more up there.
What do you do with all these things?
So the working ones we send them to schools.
Okay.
So the kids
Timing kit.
the working ones we send them to Matco.
Very cool.
You want to send them my air tool? I got a fucking half-inch ratchet or half-inch impact.
Check these guys out.
Yeah, no,
Not bad.
no, I don't.
Get another set.
Here's worth a shot.
It's got a maximizer on the book. Pretty cool.
I have a new Snap-on one. This is just the old one that was getting fixed. I was just tired of it. It's a nice composite one. It's balanced, so it's really nice.
Ratchets.
It's not. It's like every time because I slide it down.
Speaking of ratchets,
there's
only 2 of these left. It's got a deal right now. You trade in any ratchet, you get $50 off. There's that new one. That's pretty good. Got lock. Lock in any angle, free, and then you lock it. Not bad. Only has green and orange left. Here's the part number. Because the handle's supposed to be a little different.
Yeah, for us too. It's like we had nothing.
Handles on the other ones.
Buying shit again. It's the biggest thing.
Head smaller though, I think. Yeah. So this is the closest he has without the handle. Basically same thing, except for it's chrome. Thickness is the same, just about. The handle's updated. Not bad. $50 off. It's $200. Trade in any ratchet. Why not? Here are the pink ones right here. Support the cause. Not bad. I'm going for it. Trading this one in. It did me good. Never let me down. Started popping out a little bit here, but heck, why not? $50. Get me a green one. Here's the part number again. BFR 128 BLFG. Pretty sweet deal. Also got me a 2-piece gravy spoon. find myself separating charge tubes for intake. These will get down in there nice and deep. Lang Tools makes these orange, but why not get a green one? Also comes with the bent spoon, so you can do the reverse gravy. Striking handle, not bad. All right, so I'm gonna get on in, have some lunch, hit subscribe, hit the like. On to the next one.